Dan Dr. Andrew Diener, speċjalista tal-qalb fi sptar f'Londra. 17 ta' Marzu 2012. Dr. Diener ikun qed jara logħba futbol bejn Tottenham u Bolton fi stadium f'Londra. Fit-42 minuti tal-logħba, plejer tat-tim ta' Bolton, Fabrice Muamba, jaqa' mal-art. Ma' Xarabank, Dr. Diener jirrakkonta li dakinhar kien qed jara l-logħba maħutu.
So I was just there watching the match, as I often do, with my brothers. As you all know, about 40 minutes into the match, a player collapsed on the pitch. It was Fabrice Muamba. He'd had a cardiac arrest.
Dr. Diener jinduna li Muamba taħ attakk tal-qalb. Dr. Diener jgħid lill-uffiċjali tas-sigurtà li hu speċjalista tal-qalb u jinżel jgħin lil Muamba.
I got involved in looking after him initially by running onto the pitch.
We have a potentially serious injury here to Fabrice Muamba, the Bolton player.
Dawk preżenti mill-ewwel jindunaw li Muamba kien ġralu xi ħaġa serja.
I was involved in moving him from the pitch to the ambulance and then from the ambulance to London Chest Hospital, which is one of the hospitals I work in.
The doctor led the way as Muamba was stretchered off the field.
Fil-ground jaqa' silenzju.
His condition was recognised as being extremely serious after only a few seconds.
Ma' Xarabank, Dr. Diener jirrakkonta li t-tim mediku nduna li Muamba kien f'kundizzjoni kritika u mill-ewwel jibdew jagħtuh is-CPR u x-xokkijiet bil-magna AED.
So the team that were by the pitch recognised that he was in trouble almost immediately and they started cardiac massage within less than a minute.
Għall-ewwel, ix-xokkijiet ma jaħdmux u l-aħħar tentattiv ikun li jieħdu lil Muamba fl-eqreb sptar.
Unfortunately, in this particular circumstance, the shocks didn't work straight away and we had to move Fabrice off the pitch and to a hospital while still continuing CPR.
Muamba is now on the stretcher.
Qalb il-plejer tiqaf taħdem għal 78 minuta. Bl-intervent immedjat ta' Dr. Andrew Diener u l-magna tal-AED, Fabrice Muamba jirnexxielu jsalva u 8 xhur wara dan l-inċident, Muamba jirritorna fil-ground ta' Tottenham fuq saqajh.
This is his first visit back to White Hart Lane since that night. Please everyone, Fabrice Muamba.
Moment, as difficult as it was for all of us to be here those months ago, it was great to be here tonight and see that.
U dan, Dr. Diener u t-tim mediku fin-999 BBC Awards jirċievi unur minant Muamba stess.
I don't know what to say. I mean, this guy's my hero, you know. You watch superhero movie and those like heroes standing there, you know. Those guys, God bless them with so much talent, so much ability. They're better than any footballer can ever meet. Those guys here, they're unbelievable.
Dr. Andrew Diener ġie Malta biex jappella lil poplu Malti biex dan il-weekend waqt il-Maratona bir-Roti jagħti d-donazzjonijiet tiegħu biex tinxtara magna AED f'kull skola għal każijiet simili bħal ta' Muamba.
In a few years, if you teach your kids to do this, you'll be really proud as a nation that you have one of the best outcomes after cardiac arrest in the world. So you never know if this could happen to you or one of your loved ones. So here's a chance to donate money to provide AEDs to the schools, but also to help support the education of your children how to do CPR. They can come home and teach you how to do CPR, and one day you may benefit from this.
From where I was to where I am right now, this is the person that should be dead.